welcome to or back to the channel. I'm Shawna. Welcome to a Jamaican vlog. Starting off my vlog in the car. I'm currently on Kingston Spring Road at the lot checking out this restaurant with a friend of mine that's visiting from overseas. She is here for a week or so, we decided to grab dinner tonight. I used my GPS to find this location. It was pretty easy coming off the boulevard, but I'm here excited to go inside to have a nice meal and enjoy a cocktail or two. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I've been here before. So they have 3 restaurants here at the lot. I'm not sure which one I'm going to try, but I'm a seafood person and they say Sharkies have seafood, so I'm leaning towards a Sharky for seafood dinner or Curvy Diva to try, just because. But today is Thursday, so it's not really packed. It's a Thursday evening. I'm pretty sure on a Friday or Saturday it's much more busy. It's right off Kingston Spring Road.
You will get a little, vibrant later on. Tonight is our salsa night, and I came in today hearing that some TikTokers will be hosting a TikTok award ceremony later on today. There's a possibility where it might get a little more vibrant than this. But our vibrant nights are like on Friday nights, where we host a weekly party called Extraordinary Friday, and on Saturdays our heavy dining night as well. We have our live DJ, which is strictly, reggae, dancehall music, 90s, transitioning over into, the latest music. And on Sundays we do pure soul.
Oh, so, that sounds nice.
So we do like I Love Soul.
Yeah.
Good vibes. Come on down to the lot. Coolest place in Kingston.
Is the grand finale. We have the top 3 contestants. And I will be announcing the number 3 contestant. A third? Oh yeah, 3rd contestant. So, on TikTok Got Talent. The cash prize. In 3rd place we have none other than not Anjo Olness nor Oliver Samuels. We have one and only Dwight Gale, who is come 3rd place and win the $100,000.
Good night, everyone. Big up on yourself. I just want to say thank you guys for your support.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am indeed proud of these 2. You guys have come a far way. You take criticism very well. You know, give me an attitude, even though someone going like nobody thicker than mine in our real life. But I forgive it soon for say, Wally is indeed proud of the growth. My love you. Somehow no have the thing for but my love the 2 are not just the same. Big up on yourself all the time.
True, I want to tell you, say, boy, very talented.
you know, and when the career will reach far than this, you see me? It's on about Anton billionaire, just remember me. You understand? Yeah, because when I sing a song a while ago, even when I go turn me in a manager, because I want a song there. The winner of TikTok Got Talent Season 1
2024
is TJ and Maya.
Come to the stage, please. No. We had a golden buzzer. No, we have a golden buzzer, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
The winner of Season 1 TikTok Got Talent is no other than Tristar!
Yeah. So right now,
Very congratulations on second place.
out for me and my nigga, what is it? Yeah. All about the
First place winner $300,000 Jamaican dollar. Second place $200,000 Barry.
one way me I play now. Yeah.
Look who I have driving me today.
I might have spoiled everything.
Oh, you gonna spoil everything.
Sugar my finger.
You're so rude and disrespectful. I can't stand you. Although I miss you driving me around in the daytime. There's a chill pamper day for me. I've been running around for the past week getting errands done. So it's time for me to unwind, relax. I'm approaching the end of my trip here in Jamaica. So today I'm going to the facial place on Oak Road to get a facial and a full body massage. After massage, I'm going to meet up with a friend. We're going to have a brunch. We're going to chill. Why? No, you're not. You're taking me on a brunch date as well. Yes, you are.
Right back home.
No, you're not.
Come back.
I have to meet her at 2 o'clock. So that's what we're doing. If you guys know Leroy, you know to ignore him. But yeah, that's what's up today. That's what's up. I am so excited to get some pampering done today. Love it. I love to get massage. I haven't done a facial in years, and I heard this facial place on Oak Road is very popular. Well, Leroy went there for his birthday a couple months ago. It was good. Stop lying. You said it was. So Leroy went there a couple months ago, so I'm trying it out today.
And they give me this big black woman to come massage me. Ain't never good. She a card right there, so see it.
Yeah, you still have. Let me see it.
She a card there. But she can't come my yard, come do it.
Today is a bleaky day in the life, a bleaky Friday. It's a very chill, relaxing Friday in the life. Resetting myself to go back home. Getting stuff done today. Massage, brunch. The only thing I'm doing today that's not really chill is to go to the supermarket to get a couple stuff to take back home with me, like my coffee, some ackee, and a couple other ingredients. Other than that, it's a very chill, bleaky day in the life. Fontana, I don't have to drive all the way to get Starbucks. We have one in Portmore. I went to Terra Nova Hotel 3 days ago to have lunch over there. It was so good. Yeah, right here we have a Terra Nova Hotel. I did not vlog everything because I wanted to be in the moment and enjoy my company. It was a cute date. There's another restaurant like a couple minutes, like I said, this row right here, it's on your left hand side. Over there is cute as well. I don't know what name. Yeah, smiley face. I am miserable. Good. So keep quiet. I'm gonna keep the camera on all day. A smile on a bleaky day. We here?
I know you're saying next turn. I just said what?
You came here before, you have no idea where we're going. This is 16 Oak Road.
Yeah, but now go yes and see if I see. I one of them road there. Yeah, yes, right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're here. I didn't get lost.
So when if you find them there, millions of dollars. Okay.
So use the hydrating mask and light as well.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Yeah, so.
Just finished my massage at the facial place. I did the pamper package for 7,500 Jamaican dollars. It comes with a facial and a full body massage. My review: it's not the best massage I've ever gotten, and it's also not the worst. The person that gave me my massage was a bit rough. It could be just me, because I've heard from time to time that I'm very tender or sensitive, so it could be me. But the facial, I think they did a better job with the facial than my massage, because I had so much blackhead in my face. The facial for me was well needed. Like, I could not go another week without having a facial. My face was so bad with the blackhead, with the makeup, you know, not having a facial routine, like very poorly. But that was more needed for me. I'm on the boulevard now getting some food. I wanted to get KFC, but KFC line is ridiculously long, so that's not going to happen today. So I choose to get some Chinese food. I'm getting fried rice with some sweet and sour chicken. That's not really what I wanted. I don't really care for Chinese food, but everywhere else that I would go is very packed and time is against me. I have to get back to Portmore, take a shower, get dressed to come back into Kingston to have dinner with someone before I go. Fresh fish, live and direct, just capture. This is what we talk about, fresh fish, okay? Fresh parrot, fresh snapper. Everything fresh from the ocean.
You know on a parrot?
No, snapper.
So you want lobster?
On the alright?
One bigger one, yeah.
When you alright for you?
We have to go so big now. And that look all.
No man, you can't hold mommy man. If you hold me, take him back man.
That all.
No hold man. If you hold me, take him, give you one different one.
So we have to take proof the whole thing.
No, because me I go see from me and cook it. You know hold man. You know, I didn't massage. You know hold me I tell you.
No, check out that one.
They can use two for me. But I get steam 25 a pound. And you know you come with pumpkin okra and anything. And normally I 3 feet, but I say I give 2 gonna pound. And steam of 3 and I give it 2.5.
At 2.5
the brown straw?
Yeah man.
So how much the brown straw?
Same 2.5.
So which one you do better?
Anyone of them.
No, which one? Everyone have a preference. Which one you do better?
Are you have to tell me?
Answer the question. Which one you like the better? Which one you love though?
Which one are your
No,
signature?
me talk about steam or fry.
Fry.
See?
Fry for everybody. We love fry. But me know me not let it down for the steam. Me not let it down for the brown stew.
Alright, so you go steam it good, give me now.
Alright, what believe me?
Of course, I believe some there can believe I want a good steamed fish. Want something proper.
Alright. So much of it? You mean alright? You know want a lobster?
How much a pound for lobster?
2.5 a pound, but me give it 2 when I show you lobster. Yeah?
How much for that now? How much for that?
I give it 2 when I come my way. And then 4 and 1/4, but I give it 3 now. Chai, carry me back. Sure enough, I get that one to cheap.
I'm at Drinks, the supermarket, getting some stuff to go back home. Yes. Alright, so I need our purpose. And fish, definitely fish. Yeah, thank you. I need more than one.
Which one you need more than one?
The all purpose. I'm thinking more expensive.
It depends. But the bigger you have a bigger back cleaner.
So give me the bigger bottle one. I'll take just the bigger bottle.
Bigger back.
Let me see the dates because sometimes
they can't late
no,
because they just come test up to last week.
It's on November 30th. Alright, this is good.
Up to last week, no there. So they can't hold.
And they have the fish, right?
I put a fish. See that fish?
I need ginger. I need a couple of ginger pack.
So I take one of the ginger one like this.
They don't have any ginger in the container.
No.
They never have ginger in the container before. It's only chicken, fish, and all purpose. This is a count. How much there's 4? 5. 5 do I need? Light gone in the supermarkets. They have generator. Why you walk leave me? What? When I finish, the light gonna here walk leave me. You catch you afraid?
So you know what to for yourself.
The light gonna leave right walk leave me. I never see this before. And then there is light. Here you go.
This is what boy took up a fish already, so I have to come something.
I eat fish a lot. Mostly eat fish.
So you take up a lot of big fish then.
They don't have any big one.
Big fish, yeah.
Alright. If I don't get anything else, I have to get coffee. Is a must. They had the cappuccino one. I know the coconut one. No, I need the coconut one.
Coconut coffee?
Yes.
Coconut?
Yes, coconut. Yes, I got it. I have it before. All I'm getting is seasoning and some coffee. This will be perfect.
Yeah, but you know, yeah.
I'm trying to try.
Crazy feed, the pineapple.
Was it good?
When the man advertised, it was crazy. No, not taste shit to me.
I'm definitely.
It tastes like no.
What does it taste like? Getting some. What it tastes like? Hold
you
it.
don't know, in a soup, you drink one time.
What does it taste like? Could you stop putting it back? What it tastes like?
As I say, me drink it one time, I'm a member. I'm gonna drink it again.
I'm gonna need two. One is
rum.
for $2.37.
White rum.
Like white rum?
Yeah.
Like rum?
Yeah.
Really?
Good restaurant flavor.
It's a rum, right?
With pineapple flavor or chocolate flavor.
Some forget one.
It's our cranberry, you know. Same flavor, hey, cranberry flavor.
Yeah, cranberry.
And rum in it. That's something I like.
Probably supposed to trace it.
You're not trace it, if you drink same.
No, I'm gonna.
You have the money for it.
I'm gonna trace mine with pineapple juice.
Pick up. Move that chocolate, please. Move that chocolate, you know.
It's not in my way. I'm on my way back home. This week has been an hectic week in the life. This week did not go as I planned it. When my week is not going as I plan it, I just go with the flow, not to be frustrated or, you know, get miserable, all that jazz. I just go with the flow. But this week in Jamaica has been a very busy week. I did though got everything that I came here to get done. I did it from business to enjoy myself, to going to the beach. I did not go to the beach every other day, but I went to the beach 4 times, so that's good. But I'm on my way home. It has been a hectic week once again. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like the video, guys. It helps me out a lot when you guys like the video. Please to do so. Getting my last KFC today. KFC just opened at 11 minutes ago. 11 minutes ago KFC opened and the line is already long. I guess no one cook soup on Saturdays anymore, or make a home cooked meal, or make breakfast. Normally back in the days on Saturdays you have what is some name? Salt mackerel, banana yam, right? Callaloo. Now the KFC line is long. We are losing our culture, people. Leroy, you too. Can you live here? Big Saturday morning is an embarrassment. You in KFC line at 11. You're in KFC line to get KFC at Wings. Shame on you. Shame on you. It's supposed to be warm and the peas and the pigtail are soak with the soup bone. I said name. Yeah, you don't really soak soup bone, but you know there are markets I buy your stuff them. You know, supermarket, yeah, cook a little salt market. The fried dumpling, remember fried dumpling? Ackee and saltfish. You go and turn your head. Make a look at ackee and saltfish, a callaloo, your cabbage. You're in KFC line. You know shame? You know shame?
The shame I carrying you, go eat KFC.
Shame I carrying me? I mean supposed to eat it.
Oh, shame I carrying you. At 11 o'clock in the morning if you go buy KFC.
I told you I wanted a nice ackee and saltfish breakfast and you're like, KFC open. So right, KFC, my last KFC, it was a good time here. I missed 2 days of not having KFC because I was mad busy. Yesterday Leroy buy some taste bad Chinese food. Oh my god, that was so embarrassment.
You leave from foreign, come to Jamaica, say you want Chinese food like you're Chinese.
No, I said I want mala chicken. That was some horrible mala chicken. Horrible.
Terrible. After that,
the fried rice was disgusting.
After finishing it, I sick for the whole time.
The fried rice was disgusting.
Everything disgusting about it. Not even like a vegetable.
But this is why I stick to KFC, Island Grill, or Tasties. That's all I normally eat. KFC, Island Grill, or patty. And I might have jerk chicken from time to time. Other than that, if it's not Leroy cook, I don't eat cooked food at Jamaica. Because everyone is chef now. But I'm going home. No more miserable Leroy have to stress me out. Oh my god. I'm going to detox you from my energy tomorrow. Tomorrow is your reset day. Reset day. I have so much package. I'm taking at Wings combo. for dash.
You know, so we all have a problem to get our wings so early though.
For real?
Every time we come so early, never get wings.
Alright, don't put energy out there. When I go home, I have a lot of package to unbox from my birthday gifts and all that jazz. I have a lot of unboxing to do. I have some assembling to do. I have to go to the supermarket and get ready for my work week. A rainy Saturday in the life. Hope my flight isn't cancelled or delayed. Why are you overtaking? You better slow down. No, not with me.
You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination.
Art of the culture, okay? Respect the culture. We are talented people when it comes to art, drama, music, food, all that jazz. We have it. Yeah. I am going home. So grateful that my flight is on time. I'm going to Miami. From Miami to Charlotte.
You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your emergency sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. Whoa. Goodness gracious. I gotta.
And we would like to be the first to welcome you to Charlotte, North Carolina, where it's currently 9:14 p.m. We will be arriving in gate B16. B is in Bravo 16. And if Charlotte is your final destination, baggage claim CD4. That's CD4. And on behalf of this Miami-based crew, we thank you so much for flying American Airlines, and we hope to see you again soon. Welcome to Charlotte, and sorry for the delay.